Hey everybody, and welcome back to our kitchen. Hi, I'm Dave. Today I'll be making for you buttermilk biscuits with only 3 ingredients. These biscuits are buttery, they're fluffy, and they go perfect with your favorite jam or honey. But my family prefers them smothered in my sausage gravy, which I'll have for you in another video. As always, trust the process, believe in yourself. Are you ready? Let's go. Set your oven to 475 degrees. You'll need 2 cups of your favorite self-rising flour. Any brand should do. 1 stick of the highest quality butter you can afford. Butter really does make it better. And 1 cup of buttermilk. This recipe makes 6 to 8 biscuits. However, when I make my recipes, I am really cooking for my family, so you'll see me scale up the recipe. Place a sheet of parchment paper on a cookie sheet and grate all of your cold butter. Put it in the freezer for half an hour. In a large mixing bowl, add your flour and break apart the frozen butter shavings. As you add the butter, make sure to toss the flour and butter around to coat every piece. You do not want clumps of butter. Add the buttermilk and gently turn over the flour and buttermilk until the buttermilk is just incorporated. Lightly flour your surface and turn out the dough. It will look dry and patchy. This is expected and perfect. So then what you want to do, you're going to get it all together. Kind of just fold it in on itself. Just a little more flour. There. Now, you want to fold it over again, like so. Smush it down. Fold it over again. Smush it down. At this point, you can feel it get kind of tacky. That's fine. It's okay. Fold it over again. In a 1/4 inch or 8 centimeter, but you can see with my finger, it's a good sized biscuit cutter. Flour first like this. That'll do is that'll help it get non-stick. When you push down, do not twist. Push straight down, pull straight out. Pull down and up. If you twist the cutter, this will seal the biscuit and prevent it from rising properly. Place the biscuits on a buttered cookie sheet or in a cast iron pan. Look at that biscuit. You see the layers. After I finish this pan, I wanted to show you how they cook on a dark pan with no parchment. Definitely do not throw away the scraps, and only use cooking spray to coat the pan. Just push it together. Do not try to overwork this. Just push it together and smush it back down. That way you don't want to fold and blah, blah, blah. Just together and down. These will rise just as well as the other biscuits when cooked. Finish cutting the rest of your biscuits and place them in the oven for approximately 13 to 15 minutes or until lightly brown. Now notice the difference in these 2 biscuits. The left was done on parchment and the right directly on the pan. Same biscuits, same time, same temperature. Okay, we're back, and how easy was that? We got great results. These buttermilk biscuits are so simple, they're so good. Put them against your grandma's. I know you probably love them, but these are good. So let's get a taste test here. We'll see if Trina's available. Trina!
Coming. Goodness.
Okay, this is Trina, my wife. Trina and Dave. Here you go. Try that.
Oh my gosh.
Good?
Yeah, it's so soft.
You Reiki?
And the bottom's got a crunch. Tastes buttery.
Come on, people.
So good.
That's how it goes. So, anyway, again, this is easy. You can do it. If we can do it, you can do it. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. We'll see you next time.